Hi there, welcome to PMP Exam Express. Here we help you prepare for your exams by providing practice questions with answers and explanations. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Let's get into today's questions. Question 1. Sarah, a project manager in London, is starting a project to develop a new financial platform. She wants to ensure all subsidiary plans are aligned. What document should she create? A. Project Charter. B. Work Breakdown Structure, WBS. C. Project Management Plan. D. Change Request. Correct answer. See explanation. The Project Management Plan integrates all subsidiary plans and guides project execution and control. Question 2. Thomas is finalizing the scope baseline. Which of the following is not part of the scope baseline? A. Project Scope Statement. B. WBS. C. Requirements Documentation. D. WBS Dictionary. Correct answer. See explanation. The scope baseline includes the project scope statement, WBS, and WBS dictionary, not requirements documentation. Question 3. Emily is managing a construction project. The team wants to fast-track the project. Which technique should she use? A. Add more resources. B. Perform crashing. C. Conduct Monte Carlo simulation. D. Overlap activities. Correct answer. D. Explanation. Fast tracking means overlapping activities without changing the scope. Crashing adds resources. Question 4. George's project has a budget at completion BSC of $800,000. The earned value EV is $400,000 and the actual cost AC is $500,000. What is the Cost Performance Index, CPI? A. 0.8. B. 1.25. C. 0.5. D. 1. Correct answer A. Question 5. Rebecca is analyzing defects in a product. She uses a histogram to identify the most frequent causes of failure. What tool is she using? A. Flowchart. B. Control chart. C. Pareto diagram. D. Scatter diagram. Correct answer, C. Explanation. Pareto diagram's 80-20 rule identify the most significant causes in descending order. Question 6. Oliver is managing a global project team. What's the best communication method for resolving a complex issue between two functional leads? A. Email. B. Text message. C. Video call. D. Newsletter. Correct answer. C. Explanation. Complex issues are best resolved through interactive communication like video or face-to-face meetings. Question 7. Isla identifies a high-impact risk that is unlikely to occur. She wants to shift the impact to a third party. What strategy is she using? A. Accept. B. Mitigate. C. Transfer. D. Exploit. Correct answer. See explanation. Transferring risk means assigning it to another party, e.g. insurance or outsourcing. Question 8. William has two team members who are consistently in conflict. It's affecting the team's productivity. What should he do first? A. Fire the most difficult person. B. Escalate to HR. C. Investigate the conflict privately. D. Ignore it and hope it resolves. Correct answer, C. Explanation. Investigating the root cause is the first step in conflict resolution. Question 9. Charlotte is closing a contract and wants to ensure all terms have been met. What should she conduct? A. Performance review. B. Procurement audit. C. Invoice payment. D. Team evaluation. Correct answer, B. Explanation. A procurement audit ensures all contractual obligations have been fulfilled before closure. Question 10. Jack receives unexpected resistance from a stakeholder during deployment. What should he do? A. Remove the stakeholder from the project. B. Add more resources to meet demands. C. Reassess the stakeholder engagement plan. D. Ignore the stakeholder unless the sponsor intervenes. Correct answer, see explanation. Reassessing and adjusting the engagement strategy is key to managing stakeholder resistance. We have completed our 10 questions. Tell us how it went in the comments section. All the best with your exam prep.